In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you use the POE app. So this is available on Apple Store or App Store and Google Play Store for Android. So this is an app that houses a lot of AIs. You can see all these AIs here. You can get your Claude, ChatGPT 5, Assistant, Nano Banana, and all that for your image generations. And you can get Cookie as well, all of them. So I'm going to show you guys how you use the app. Very, very simple. So now let's start. So this is the interface here. And for you to see your chat, you come to your history here. So on the history here, you see every chat you've made here. Explore, and you see all the AIs that are available. So these are official AIs. So Claude, Nano Banana, and all these ones. You have Gemini and all that. These are all official ones. And these are ones that have been created by people here. You can create your own chatbot here too as well. I'm going to show you guys how to do that and all. And now let's move to the menu, the bottom right corner of your screen. Just tap on that. And you see the bots here. These are all the bots on the app. Just like I said, you can search if you want to. And now you can create yours too by tapping on the create. And good. Chatbot. And you create it yourself. Anything you want to, you get it. Image generation, role play bot, or you just select it and you are good to go. You feed it your information and you create it. And if you create a bot, you become a creator. So when you tap on the creator, it's just going to give you some information. Here, join the creator app and then monetize. So all the apps you see there are monetizing anytime you send a message there. And your profile, this is your profile, nothing complicated. The bots you follow and all that, you can tap on the edit to edit it too as well. And subscribe if you want to be on the pro version and send a lot of messages. You can subscribe to as well. You can see that's the prices. Yes. And then you move to settings here. You can get some stuff here too as well. You can change your theme and privacy. You can contact them. You can log out. You can delete your chats. You can delete your account and all that too here. Very, very simple. You can follow them on Discord and the rest. I think I've talked about everything. Send a feedback. You're going to contact them too as well. So POE is very, very simple. So now let me start doing something for you guys to see. Let me use Claude. I think I have a lot of credits left. So you can see here, this is the flagship model, enterprise grade knowledge for building apps and all that. So hi, it sends you, it gives you a message. So here it's like you can talk to different AIs in the same app, something like that. So you talk to Claude. After that, you just come back and you go and talk to Nano Banana. You come back, you talk to GPT. You come back, you talk to DeepSeek and the rest. So that's it. If you are new here, just give me a like, subscribe to the channel, and you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. That's it for the video. Peace.